This is going to be an extreme snowfall on this map. There's so much about it, and there's a lot of things more about like severe weather on a Thursday event as well for the snow event. There's so much into it after this intro. Extreme weather we here, we actually going to see a very chance for a long track for the snow system, but it's going to start on February 2nd, and it's going to be a very long day to see when it's going to end. So much precipitation, and also there's a chance for a little bit of thunder snow. You can kind of see it when you can kind of see in that dark pink. You can kind of see it a little bit right there. Most of it too. Some areas as well. At 7 p.m. you can kind of see what it is, and also so much about the winter. We're going to see very long track for the winter. So many this what it could look like in the next couple days so far with the snow forecast. So far the snow go reach stretch all the way to the Texas, all the way to around in Canada region as well. So much about the snow precipitation will affecting your region. We're going to take a lot of very long check each models about it. This is the GS for like for 2 days. Notice about how stretched it is for 17 days for snow so far of it. We don't know how much snow precipitation we're going to get of it, each region as well. But there's so much about it reducing with those snow system because it's a temperature difference. So about it as well. But the temperature about that snow is just going head towards the United States, but it will going to bring that very cold air as well for each region as well. But we'll also going to talk about the severe weather event as well. You can kind of see it what I try to explain on a Thursday at 7 a.m. There's so much mix of snow and a little bit thunder, and also there's a chance for a very massive ice storm as well into those storms as well. But the more factor about it, there's lots of very warm around the Gulf. So much is just very heating in the ocean, but it is also fielding the storms. But you can kind of see it in the kind of heat chain. You can kind of see with the storms it is around that orange region, around Louisiana and around Alabama region as well. Just so far about it, so much about that wind, so much it is enough need to be below about it. you can see very strong winds on top of it as well. But this is what it is. Nothing right now, but it's just quietness for on the United States. But until that day, to see what is happening on that Thursday at 7 a.m. or but much more bigger thing it is at 4 p.m. as well as the see how much storms it is bringing a lot of energy to 80 joules of cave, but that's not a lot. But there's a lot of kilt in a atmosphere. I mean, historically in atmosphere, there's a lot, like around like 400 joules. I mean, not joules, but meals. That's why I'm trying to say how much snow and severe is just gonna be this week over these days. All of these storms bring lots of ice as well to kind of see where the region is. Around Oklahoma, it is not a lot, but around the Great Lakes region as well, lots of things about it as well. But there's so much about sleet as well. But this how much sleet inside the storms as well. There's not a lot, but the most is around the Oklahoma region as well. There's a lot of factors about those storms happening, but it is 4 days out or 6 days out of that. But everything can easily change. But let you know what is happening. But this is going to be my outro. Extreme Weather Ari.